Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach Moral Science, Chapter 9, Hippo's Promise. People with good intentions make promise, but people with good character keep them. जिन लोगों का इंटेंशन मीन्स इरादा अच्छा होता है वो प्रॉमिस करते हैं, पर जिन लोगों का करेक्टर अच्छा होता है वो उस प्रॉमिस को निभाते हैं. One of the biggest animals on the earth. It is found in Africa. It spends most of its time in water. Did you say hippopotamus? You are right. So, what do you think this hug animals eats? So what do you say? What do you think this huge animal eats? And animals that spend so much time in water, you may think, would find its food in water too. But believe it or not, the hippo likes to eat grass. After spending the day in water, it leaves the water and walks on the land to eat its favorite food, grass. In Africa, grandmothers tell their grandchildren the story of why they believe the hippopotamus has such a strange habit. Long ago, so the story goes, the huge hefty hippo lived only on land. Most of Africa is very hot. The hippo felt hot in the sun all day. Its skin was thin. It did not have fur like the dog, nor did it have feathers like the ostrich. It did not even have scales like the penguin. Sorry, pangolin. So, when the sun beat down on the hippo, its skin got burnt. The hippo was in pain and could not bear to live on land any longer. It looked at the fish and the otter playing in the river and the even their cool home. They did not seem to feel the heat. अर्थ का बिगेस्ट एनिमल हिप्पोपोटामस होता है और ये ज़्यादातर वक्त पानी में गुजारता है, पर इसे ग्रास खाना बहुत पसंद है. सारा दिन पानी में रहकर फिर लैंड में आकर ग्रास खाता है. अफ्रीका में बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है और हिप्पो की स्किन बहुत थिन होती है. इस कारण उसे दिन में बहुत गर्मी लगती है और उसका स्किन जलने लगता है. इसी कारण वो अपना ज़्यादातर वक्त पानी में बिताता है. One day the hippo decided to enter the river and cool off, but the animals in the river were alarmed. Imagine your home being taken over by an animals as large as the hippo. Hey, where do you think you are headed? Asked a crocodile, suddenly feeling rather small. As the hippo turned to look at him, the crocodile backed away, not waiting to risk losing any teeth in a fight with such a large animal. The fish forgot their fear of the crocodile and gathered near the hippo. You cannot come into the water. We will all be dead by tomorrow. They wailed. Exactly, said the otter importantly. How do you think we will feed a huge creatures like you? By now, the sun was at its strongest, beating down without mercy on the hippo's skin. Please let me stay in the water. My skin burns on land, cried the hippo, rather desperate by now to get into the cool water. Hippo thought fast. The river animals were afraid they would be eaten. They also feared that the hippo would eat up their food if he came to live with them. I thought you knew that I don't eat fish and otters and crocodiles. He said, I eat grass. Well, if you live in water, how will you eat grass? Asked the fish. I will get out of the water every evening and walk up the bank to eat grass and the plants that grow by the river, promised the hippo. How will we know if you have kept your promise? Asked the fish. I will open my mouth wide for you to check that are no bones or scales stuck inside, promised the hippo. Of course, we know today that the hippo opens its mouth wide to scare off others. The animals that lived in the water held a meeting. They agreed that the hippo sounded as if he meant to keep his promise. So they let him wade into the water and stay there. Since that day, the hippopotamus has lived in water all day and kept his promise. When the sun looks less angry towards evening, the mighty creatures heaves up the bank to eat grass and plants. They say every baby hippo that opens its mouth when it sees a fish is told this story and reminded that a promise is meant to be kept. ये कहानी एक हिप्पोपोटामस की है जो एक दिन रिवर में उतर आया तो उसे देख पानी के बाकी एनिमल्स घबरा गए। तभी क्रोकोडाइल ने हिप्पो से पूछा, तुम पानी में कहाँ चले आ रहे हो? फिर हिप्पो ने उससे घूम कर देखा तो वो डर कर पीछे चला गया। फिर मछलियों ने भी उसे पानी में आने से मना किया क्योंकि उन सबको डर था कि हिप्पो उनको खा जाएगा। उस समय तक सूरज अपनी पूरी गर्मी में था और हिप्पो की स्किन जल रही थी, इसलिए उसने अपने आप को पानी में रहने देने का रिक्वेस्ट किया। वो सभी जानवर डर रहे थे कि हिप्पो उनका सारा खाना खा जाएगा। तभी हिप्पो ने बताया कि वो सिर्फ घास खाता है और उसने प्रॉमिस किया कि वो सारा दिन पानी में रहकर शाम के वक्त किनारे जाकर घास खाएगा। तब एक मछली ने हिप्पो से पूछा कि तुम अपना प्रॉमिस कैसे रखोगे? तभी उसने अपना माउथ खोलकर दिखाया कि देखो, इसमें कोई बोन्स और स्केल्स नहीं फंसे हैं। सारे एनिमल्स ने एक मीटिंग किया कि वो हिप्पो को पानी में रहने देंगे। तब से लेकर आज तक हिप्पो अपना प्रॉमिस निभा रहा है। Students, in this story we learn that We must not hurt others to make ourselves comfortable. We must keep our promise even if it is difficult to do so. We must not make a promise that we cannot keep. Okay, students, that's all for this chapter. Goodbye.